land parcels from the system in the new GIS based system. And ma'am, total 588 applications were deemed approved. Basically means these 588 applications were auto generated on the 8th day from the system. So, and more than ma'am, around 282 crores of revenue was booked for the state from this system, basically from the land allotment process. So 282 crore rupees were paid by the respective investors for the services. So
Good.
ma'am, yes ma'am. Ma'am, this is our third nomination which we have filed for. Ma'am, this is a central inspection system. Again, ma'am, ma'am, basically the central inspection system was envisaged by Government of India and the respective states so as to ensure that all the investors or the factories which are required to be visited it can be a more convenient and simpler process for the industries. So basically, ma'am, what we have done in this system, we have tried to streamline this entire procedure of inspection, which is carried out by ma'am different departments for different services. So basically, when I set up an industry, there are primarily inspections related to labor department, pollution control board, weights and measures, boilers. Subsequently, so these now what we have done is we have brought all those inspections on a one common platform. So this has enabled the investor now, since earlier ma'am ad hoc inspections used to happen that one day labor inspector is visiting, 5 days later PCB people were visiting. Now what we have tried to do is we have to synchronize this process and make it more checklist oriented, more point based. So what with concern of the respective departments, a checklist was formed for all the inspections related to various departments. And these inspection checklists were uploaded on the system. So now what the system is doing, the system ensures that the inspections are taken up on designated date. The inspections are done as per the checklist, and to circumvent cases of corruption or manhandling, we are ensuring that the same inspector does not visit the premises twice. So for consecutively, so it means if for say for year 2021 Adarsh is visiting the premise, for the next year Shashank will go. Adarsh won't go in the same premises. Secondly, ma'am, to enable a simpler procedure, we have ensured that all the inspection reports are uploaded within 48 hours of inspection, because was the area in which manipulation happened. That I have inspected the premises, now I am calling you, I am not issuing your report. And the other thing what we have done in this system, all the inspection reports are available to the investor also. So once that inspection report is submitted, immediately a notification is provided to the investor. So ma'am, currently we have handled 12 acts of 4 departments in this system. So basically labor department, pollution control board, directorate of boilers, and food and civil supplies department, primarily related to weights and measures. And ma'am, more services can be added as and when new departments are added, or as and when new services come up. We have made this system configurable so that all the jurisdictions of the officers can be mapped, all the acts can be mapped in this system, their timelines can be defined, and whatever initiatives this department may seek. Ma'am, in this I would like to mention one more point, ma'am. We have now, earlier ma'am, what used to happen that surprise inspections were taken up by inspectors at their whims and fancies. Whenever I want to visit a factory, I will just barge in and ask for certain documents, and then there could be problems for the now. Through this system, what we are doing is, if any surprise inspection or any surprise visit is to be planned, the concerned HOD or his nominated person will define the unit as well as the inspector who would be visiting that unit. So such ad hoc inspections which used to create problems for the factories are now being circumvented. And ma'am, basically based on the risk categorization of the industry, the system picks what kind of industry should be visited. So if I'm an industry with a good track record and I am following compliances, then I could be left out for that inspection. And the subsequent to that, ma'am, for many cases, many times the companies request for inspection. Say if I am an exporter and say US government needs a certificate from a certain authority that, okay, you are a non-polluting unit. So the system provides this flexibility to the investor that he can apply for a inspection from his side also. So ma'am, these are certain features which we have done enabled. Finally, this system is again digitally signing the documents based on the Aadhaar based eKYC, and all the reports are provided to the investor immediately, and all the inspections are taken on the checklist based on the checklist. So an investor always know that when my inspection is scheduled, when people are coming to my premises, and accordingly they are ready with their documents and their compliances. So ma'am, this is a broad process flow what I was talking about regarding the inspection. And again, ma'am, these all inspections are passed on to their respective HODs on real-time basis, what findings they had and what non-compliances were found, if there were any. And we have a small video for this activity also. It will give a bright.
I think we understood. I think we understood you, Surendra ji. Because basically this is process flow, and you have defined
Yes,
your
yes. Ma'am,
accurate.
you're right. We got what you are trying to say. No need to run this video.
Yeah, that's right.
No issues, sir. No issues.
Because your process, see, I think your success is because your processes are very well defined.
Yes, sir.
Time targeted and very
Yes,
precise. And
yes,
probably that is the reason. But
yes,
there is one more factor. I see all your three presentations are IT based. You are taking the use of IT tools very elaborately.
Yes, ma'am.
So the question is, you are taking a lot of decisions automated way. And of course, the conditions, criteria, everything is defined. But are you, to still make it better, are you using artificial intelligence in decision making in the software? And like the machine learning, like something has happened because of this instance, you are giving that feedback to the system, so the next time the system comes up with a better, more fine-tuned.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, we are trying to embed all those parts also. Like, ma'am, what I was talking about, risk-based inspections, track record of the company. So we are trying to incorporate those things. But ma'am, this process is still in a very nascent stage, this system. So basically, ma'am, probably in the next version or the next upgrade, what we intend to do, we are trying to figure out those things, like
because if you include artificial intelligence and especially machine learning, and nowadays deep learning is also coming into picture. So what happens is your one decision or 10 decisions you have taken earlier on similar case can go back and refine your system in a much better way.
Ma'am, we intend to do that, but since ma'am,
so good luck to you. Good luck to you. You have done very well. Thank you.
Your first presentation was Invest Portal.
Yes, sir.
And second and third presentation is subset of that.
True, sir. Sir, actually, Invest Portal, when we define that, Invest Portal is primarily a window for providing services to the investor.
Right.
Second portal, what we are talking about was the GIS-based land allotment system, because the land allotment is a critical process and an independent process which we have been running.
Right.
Sir, the third portion which we are showcasing right now, sir, this is the pain area of the industry.
Okay.
So because if you inquire or if you have a word with any investor, 99% of the time they will say, ki, sir, we are not very happy with the inspectors visiting our premises, or not
Okay.
very.
Correct. Everybody knows about it.
Yeah, so we are trying to plug in those gaps, sir.
Uh,
That is our attempt actually.
Okay, good. My question is, you are fighting for winning an award by Scotch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you have brought in 3 projects? You should have brought only 1 project. What is the reason to bring on 3 projects?
Sir, not winning the award, maybe not, it could not, means we intend to definitely, because we have filed the nomination. But sir, we believe that, you know, if it comes on a platform like yours, so it has a probability of impacting the entire nation, because other states are also viewing this.
Please, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, sir.
We are only few people listening your presentation right now, and we have to decide among other projects which one is better. We need to give some marks.
Okay, sir.
So my question is, why you have brought 3 projects? Why not 1 project? Because the other 2 projects are a subset of the first.
Sir, in our means, as per our discussion with our ED sir and our managing director sir. So basically, sir, these are, as per our knowledge, means as per our practice, these are 3 independent systems. So
Okay.
we thought of showcasing all those independent system to your team.
So shall if I want to give some marks, shall I give them equal marks, or which one you feel is the best one out of these 3?
Sir, because I have worked on this, so sir, I feel equally means grateful for all the things, all the projects which we have done, and finally it's your decision what
Okay.
kind.
So nice of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right, sir.